Hello! Today we're going to learn how to submit an assignment using the media recordings option. The way that you can submit media recordings using the media recordings option is very simple. Let's take a look. Make sure you always follow the directions of each assignment very carefully and answer every question listed. If you have questions, you can ask the teacher. Always check for the due date, the amount of points that you will earn, and how the teacher would like you to submit your media recordings or your assignment in general. In this case, you see that the teacher will accept a text box entry, a website URL, a media recording, or a file upload. And these are the different types of files that your teacher will accept. And note that if the type of file extension is not listed here, your teacher will not accept it and will probably not be able to open it. When you're ready to begin, click Submit Assignment. The first type of file that you can upload for a media file is by clicking Choose File in a File Upload. So here you'll see different menu items for the different types of assignment types that you can submit. In this case, the teacher is asking for a file upload, but you also have the option of a text entry, website URL, media, or these other options. So all you have to do is click Choose File, find your media file, your video, and then click on it. Okay, you'll just click on it. You can click twice or you can click on it once and then click Open. And then when you're done, you can write comments and then you can submit the assignment. The comments are optional. The teacher will know who you are because each person is identified to the teacher with their assignments. A second option for submitting your media is to do it under a text entry box. You'll just click on the menu item that says text entry box, and then you can type in any kind of submission that you might have for your assignment. Like, for example, you might type in, my favorite sport is soccer. And you might want to show the teacher by including a video or an image. To include an image, you can click here. To include a link to a website, you can click here. You'll just type in the website and then select it and then click on the link and add the link. And then for a media submission, you can click here. Now you have two options. You can upload a file by either dragging the file into this box or clicking it and then selecting the file from your computer. Now notice here it says no items match your search. That's because I don't have any video items in that particular file. But here in this one I do. Let's take a look. Here I have some beautiful fireworks. So I'll click on that and I'll open it. And here you'll see my media submission. And when I'm ready, I can either add CC, which is closed caption, which means the words that you're saying, and subtitles, or you can just click Submit. That's one different option. Another option that you can choose, maybe I could say, my favorite entertainment is watching fireworks. It doesn't really go with my favorite sport is soccer. The other way that you can choose to submit media is by simply adding a recording. And now you get to see me because the computer, my camera will turn on and you'll see my face. Hi. You'll do your recording and then by clicking Start Recording, you'll get a countdown and then you will press Finish when you are done. You can review it by pressing play, or you can start over if you don't like it. When you're done, just click Save. You can also, by the way, you can also add a title to your file, and your teacher will have your video there for you. Another thing that you can do is you can add a YouTube link. So right here, you'll just click on the YouTube link and add it right in there. I hope this helped. That's how you submit an assignment. Don't forget to click on the Submit Assignment button, and you'll see that your assignment was submitted in the top right-hand corner. You can always resubmit your assignment if the teacher allows it. Some don't. But good luck and have a wonderful semester.